My name's Tyler. I am the owner of Marine Diagnostic Tools and Diesel Laptops, and today we want to show you what the real difference is with the Kajali Jaltest software versus some of the other competitors that are out there. The thing that really separates them is really two things. So number one, we're wireless. So out on the dock over there on the boat, you see we have our box connected up over there, and we're wireless. But the one thing that really separates them is the repair information. So for example, when you're first connected to a boat, you'll see you have all kinds of options in here. And your very first one, and you don't need to be online to access this, this is looking at all your technical data to deal with that. So as you can see, if I scroll through the list over here, there's quite a bit of different options, and you can click on them and see exactly what you're looking at. You can enlarge the pictures. It shows you a red dot of where you're supposed to be. So great component information in there. And you can even jump right to the wiring diagrams if you want to. So I can just click that button and it'll go right to the wiring diagrams. And it'll pull it up. As you see over here, I could have simply just clicked on diagram as well and brought myself to the wiring diagrams. So great information all on here. On top of that, they also have some more information here, where it's going to give you information on your services and just general repair information that you're looking at and what should be done on the boat at what intervals. And this one over here, when they have the little symbol that has the little globe, it means you do need to be on the internet. One of the things we do sell is the ability to have your computer turn into its own hotspot, which this laptop does have. It's something we offer here. And you can, as you go in here, this will be a little bit, so let me click on that. And you can see we have a little bit more information that we're pulling up off the internet. And this is where all the really good stuff is. So you can see I can find information on my cylinders, dimensions, the cylinder and firing, injecting order, all kinds of very specific information that you're looking for. And then we also have troubleshooting by symptoms as well. So if you don't have a code and you're just trying to go through and try to figure out what to do, you can go through by symptom. And again, this is well above and beyond what everybody else offers for repair information. And it's really why, for that person looking for the premier diagnostic tool for marine, this is probably the tool you want to go with. So again, Tyler with Marine Diagnostic Tools and Diesel Laptops, thank you for watching.